We have seen in the net that Panchayat has been established in Dima Hasao against the constitution, because in the constitution under article 243M and also there is another article, and under section 1 of Assam Panchayati Raj Act 1994, Panchayat cannot be established in 6th schedule area. Now it is seen that in the internet Panchayat has been established, and then practically it has been implemented. During the last Dima Hasao Council election, nomination papers have been submitted to the BDO. BDOs are not actually empowered to do that. It has to be submitted to the Deputy Commissioner or to the SDO. Yes, the DC, Deputy Commissioner, that is the returning officer, can authorize somebody else. However, it is usually, the power is usually delegated to the additional DC and magistrates working in the office of the DC and SDO. Therefore, we oppose this imposition of Panchayat against the constitution and against the law. If I am elected as MP, I will fight it out in the parliament to restore the autonomous council of Dima Hasao. Now, they will call it, as per Panchayat law, they will call it only Zila Parishad. That means district council. The word autonomous will not be there. But the word autonomous, the power we get through autonomy, only can protect the tribal people. Therefore, we still need protection, constitutional protection. Therefore, we will fight it out in the Supreme Court if I am elected as MP. And we will restore, we will work for restoration of all the powers of the 6th schedule which has been eroded. On 12th of March of this month, the government of Assam appointed some officers from Assam Urban Administrative Service and posted them directly to the town committees and municipalities in Dima Hasao. This is unconstitutional. It is disobedience to the MOU signed in 1995, and also it is against the constitution and against the 6th schedule. What Assam government can do is they can appoint the Assam Urban Administrative Service. Some officers those are selected can be appointed in the service, but they can also be appointed as executive officer, but the Assam government should send the appointed officer, the required number of appointed officers, only to the chief executive member of the Dima Hasao Autonomous Council. And the CEM of the Dima Hasao Autonomous Council will post them wherever he wants, because that is his autonomous power. Now, therefore, the posting of Assam Urban Administrative Officer directly by the Assam government to the respective town committees and municipal board is illegal, it is unconstitutional. It is an abrogation of the 6th schedule and constitution, because in the constitution it is said that it is under paragraph 1 and 20 of the 6th schedule. It is tribal areas, and the tribal people, elected tribal people, should do their own work. This kind of work has to be done by the elected autonomous council. Therefore, we oppose it. This is also, again, we can see how the BJP, who are in power, is diluting, destroying the power of the 6th schedule and the constitution itself. Because constitution, it is written there in article 243M, and also in Assam Panchayat Raj Act section 1 itself, it is written that Panchayat law cannot be implemented in the 6th schedule. Now, conducting of the Dima Hasao Autonomous Council election by the State Election Commission itself is unconstitutional and illegal. It is against Article 243M and also Article 243K, and also the whole of Chapter 9 of the Constitution. Therefore, we condemn the action of the BJP. The BJP does not care about the hill tribes people and other tribes people. They are only for the so-called high caste people. They do not care for us. Therefore, if I am elected as MP, I will fight it out in the parliament, and if necessary, I will also go to the High Court and Supreme Court against this violation of the 6th schedule and the Constitution. Thank you.